Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Medina County, southeastern Uvalde County, northeastern Zavala County, northwestern Frio County, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time,
Guys, I've been
a
hearing
severe
this one.
thunderstorm was located 12 miles northeast of Batesville, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors. Chance of rain. Expect hail damage to roofs.
I'm gonna impress the girls there, Savannah, by having this one on.
Expect wind damage to roofs. Sighting, entry.
Clean up one aisle too, thank you. I may be getting an intercom system. Nothing's definite yet.
Moore, Sabinal, Canepa, Dehanis, Uvalde Estates, Yancey, Freetown, North Pearsall, and West Pearsall. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The short-term forecast for your area. Severe thunderstorm watch 293 in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Showers and thunderstorms